Mario. She said Mario.
Ah.
Say baby Mario. Baby Mario. No, I'm talking to Katie. Katie, say baby Mario. Baby Mario. No. Katie. Baby Mario. Say baby Mario. Baby Mario. She said baby Mario.
Let me hear. Katie, say baby Mario.
Yeah, baby Yaya. Baby Yaya. Baby Yaya. That's what
Katie.
she said. No.
Katie, say daddy.
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 Daddy's drinking.
Eddie's
She
drinking. Is that what she said?
Katie. Yeah. Say daddy. Yeah, daddy.
Work.
Say hat. Say hair.
Eddie, you're not allowed to do that.
Uh-oh, a tomato.
I'll get it. What do you want?
Tomato. She said it. Oh,
Tomato.
She said tomato.
Say tomato.
Tomato.
Tell Katie to say it. Ask Katie to say it.
Katie said tomato. That's how she says tomato.
Be nice. No, if she says she wants you to stop.
Okay.
Don't do it.
Why aren't you getting that?
Because Katie's really funny. Look at what she's doing. Get over there by her. Don't be so loud. Get over there, Taylor, and you'll get... You guys are so silly.